this is the chicken butt. But so that's why I told us that we never use everything. Yeah, we never waste any single part of it. From the nose till the ear till the brain we eat.
Chow Kit Market is one of the largest wet markets in all of Southeast Asia. It is situated in Kampong Baru near downtown Kuala Lumpur, one of the last remaining Malay villages in Kuala Lumpur, yet to be demolished to make way for another high-rise apartment building. Fadli has taken us here to check out the fresh fruits and produce section, to try out all kinds of exotic fruits that I've never even heard of before.
This is one of the important ingredients in the Malay cuisine. Without this, chicken grows. This is like coconut. You can see that they pour the coconut milk inside the plastic there. So we use coconut really. Sometimes we take that one and we make it become like this. Smell it.
Oh yeah.
Can you smell it? This is a toasted coconut paste.
Ah.
So how we get this kind of texture? We take the white grated coconut there. We toast it on the dry pan until it's brown. Then we put some mortar and pestle and then we pound it until it creates this, release this. And these are ready to eat. You can mix it with the greens, you can make it as a salad, or you can put it in the curry. I'd like you to try this. Right.
What is it?
I don't know.
These are the fruits here. So this one we call CIKU. Look like a potato and also look like same like kiwi.
Yeah. Kiwi.
Oh.
Wait, so it's called a snake fruit?
Yeah, snake fruit.
Oh.
It's popular in the Southeast Asia, especially Indonesia. Indonesia, they famous with this one. So, but sometimes that to peel it takes time and effort. This is known as a dragon eye fruit or longan.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah, that was my favorite. I wouldn't seek it out.
I like it?
No, sorry.
What's in the texture?
Oh, it's got like slices.
Yeah.
It's an orange.
Take the whole thing. But don't bite the seed.
I think you eat one at a time and then each one.
So, okay, you want to try to bite the seed, go ahead. And then you know what's the reason why I don't
Do it.
It's like a citrus kind of.
Sweet, yeah. I'm not sure how to describe it, but this one,
What is it called again?
DOKONG.
Dokong.
Or DOKONG.
Okay.
And then this is the queen of the
Mangosteen.
fruits. Mangosteen. You know that
Very
there's
good.
a trick. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When they have
I like-
6 inside here, there's a 6 pop inside here. So, and then this one, some of the hotels they prevent this fruit in the.
I think I bit the seed.
You bit the seed.
Ah,
You learn.
so bitter.
Yeah, that's the reason why. I'd like you to try this one.
What is it?
Try it, but it's a fruit.
Just eat it like that.
Sour, right?
Huh?
You like sour?
Yes, it is sour.
Thank you.
This is something that what we call as a star fruits. It comes from the star fruit family.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no,
So sour.
Yeah.
I love it. No, it's good.
Yeah, it's really good. So I love sour.
Oh my god.
This one we need to do it quickly because later on you can see it's like a potato as well. When it oxidize, it will brown.
Like
Yeah.
an apple.
Yeah. This is like a mangosteen as well. There's a seed inside there. So, but before I give you the seed, try this one first.
This part?
Yeah.
Good, bad?
I don't know. Not as it's sour, but not like
Sour
not
again?
Like, not like that.
Alright.
Oh,
It's kind of like a kadondong.
Kadondong, yeah, it's similar like Kadondong, but this is a and then
Still
try
pretty
the seed.
sour.
Is
it a seed?
Yeah,
What
Do you
gotta
bite
chew on it.
You gotta chew on
Yeah.
it. Okay.
Yeah.
Lightly. Like don't
Try
like
the
actually
seed.
bite it. Like suck it.
No,
Suck it.
there.
Okay.
No,
Oh, but there's another.
there's another one. You
Yeah.
try this
I
one.
like this better.
No, you want more?
Okay.
Hey, see, it's not bad.
What is it called? Apam balik?
Apam balik, also known as a Malay pancake.
Malay pancake.
And then what we're going to have a flavor inside is a black sticky rice.
Black sticky rice.
Okay, try it. Take.
It's so big.
So but later on you're going to form on the truth.
I've never seen black rice.
Never seen black rice? Ah.
Good.
Wow. This is what we call putu. It's made from the rice flour. Inside it there's a palm sugar that you can see there in the center. There is a palm sugar.
Oh, yeah.
So okay, this one you need to eat together with the coconut, and then you need to put everything inside your mouth one shot.
All at once.
Yes, it's very soft. Don't worry, it's very soft. It will fit in one shoot. Don't worry.
You fit in one shoe.
One bite.
One bite.
Oh my god, it's like falling apart.
It's like a cookie.
Yeah. You are lucky because I give you something at room temperature. But normally last time I take warm.
Right. That's really good.
I think it would taste better if I didn't eat it in one bite. Oh, I can smell it from here.
It's like.
Oh god.
This is fermented durian.
Yeah.